Hello friends, welcome to Polity Most Important MCQs for all government exams and also for any general knowledge purpose. This is me Emmanuel presenting this course in front of you. Let us go to the first question. Who can transfer a governor appointed to one state to the another state? So this power is vested with the president. The president can transfer governor from one state to the another state. So next is who announces the government policies in the legislative assembly? So you people know that in a state, legislative assembly and legislative council is there, and in center we have Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Exactly like Lok Sabha, in our state we have legislative assembly. So in the Lok Sabha, Prime Minister is the head of the government. In the state legislative assembly, CM, Chief Minister, is the head of the government. So answer is Chief Minister. Chief Minister announces the government policies in the state legislature. So next question is Puducherry comes under the jurisdiction of which high court? So the answer is Madras. So which of the following courts control over district courts and other subordinate courts? So district courts and other subordinate courts are controlled by our high court. So fifth question, Gram Nyayalaya exercises the power of option A is civil court and option 2 is criminal court. So answer is both 1 and 2. Gram Nyayalaya actually exercises civil court as well as criminal court powers. So question number 6, which of the following articles contain special provisions with regard to the certain states? So the answer is Article 371 to 371J. These all states which are coming in these articles will exercise some amount of special provisions. So the question number 7 is who has the power of adjournment as well as adjournment senedi in the state legislature? You people know that adjournment is nothing but closing the session for a particular period of time. But adjournment senedi is nothing but there is no time is specified. Okay, if the session is stopped or if the session is suspended means time is not given. Okay, for indefinite period of time the uh, the session is held. So that is called adjournment senedi. So who has the power to do this? So this power is this power is belonging to the presiding officer. Question number 8 is who has the final power to decide whether a particular bill is money bill or not? So the answer is speaker is the one who decides the particular bill is money bill or not. Option C is right answer. Next question, question number 9. The Article 371D contains special provisions with regard to which of the following states? So Article 371D actually tells about Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is the special provisions related to the Andhra Pradesh. Next, question number 10. Article 371J contains special provisions with respect to which state? So the answer is everyone knows this, right? So that is Karnataka. Article 371J is related to our Karnataka special provision. So that's all about today's 10 questions. Hope you people have enjoyed this. Watch my remaining courses also. You will get lots of knowledge in that. Thank you. Bye bye.